Yo 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 yo. What up? What up, y'all? What's up, everybody? Hey, we only got 40 likes on the stream. We got 160 of you beautiful people here. Love you too, Woody. I love all you guys, man. Thank you guys so much for being so cool, dude. I love the yo movement, you know? Whenever me and Review Dork, no, I'm not drinking. Whenever me and Review Dork were having our little like quasi Twitter thing or whatever, he was like, oh, I'm just getting criticism like I've never had before, blah blah blah. I was like, bro, I think he got hit with the Dave wave. Yo 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 yo. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in with Astro here in a second. I just wanted to get all you guys here to hang out. Doge chilling, Mike Smith. What you talking about? Doge is still well on its way. Nasal dork, exactly. The Dave wave, dude. What up, everybody? How y'all feeling? Today's a green day. I wasn't quite expecting this much green. I'm not gonna lie. So we'll have to take a look. And we're gonna be hopping in with Astro. And that's gonna be good because you know he's the cycle father himself. I do want to make some tea right quick. I need some caffeine for you know, I drink caffeine before my workouts, but I'm also starting to drink it after my workouts. It kind of helps you maintain leanness in your adrenaline throughout the day. Helps with your fat levels, I suppose, is what I should say. When composite, man. Good question. Yo. Okay, we got 269 viewers, 124 likes. Let me I'm gonna go warm up some I got this what kind of tea is it? Matcha, but it's mixed with MCT oil. Pretty sick. So I'm gonna go make that right quick. It's literally gonna take me 2 minutes. I'm gonna be literally right back. I'm gonna switch and then yeah, I'm gonna do that. Be right back. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hey, everybody, like the stream. I'm literally gonna be here in like 20 seconds. Oh shit. Amy broke 40 while I was gone. Let me put some stevia in my matcha tea. Feeling very hipsterish right now. Some MCT oil so that my brain functionality is at its optimum levels while we're here. All right, let's see if we can link up with Astra. See what's up. I do definitely want to talk about Doge too, dude. For sure, for sure, for sure. I'll call Astro right now, brother. Break it down, Brian. Brian, what up, dude? Is that Mocha? Mocha. Dude, you're the cycle guy. You should be breaking it down for me. What the hell? Holy shit, we got 420 viewers right now. The hype is real. We're fighting for 40 right now. We gotta go look on smaller time frame and see what's actually going on with this move. Uh-oh. Well. Am I on extended hours? Yeah. Let me pull up volume right quick. Why is volume not just like automatically up now? It's so weird. I use it so much. John Ross in here? Oh shit, brother. John Ross. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Not to be a pessimist, but this doesn't look like a very convincing move. We really need to pick up some volume and get something going here to close the day out. There you go, maybe. Let's see. Could be a little bit of reaccumulation. Looks like the recently bears have the stronger candles on the 1 minute chart. Indicative of them dominating the price action. We can zoom in on like 5 seconds or something. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely a sell candle for sure. I mean, this is a good candle. This is a good candle. Yeah. I mean, it could be. This could be a little reaccumulation occurring. It's possible. Possible. Holy shnikes. Oh, let me call Astro, like, really call him. Call him on the phone, like old people do.
Hey, cocksucker.
Hey, I'm calling you on Discord. What the fuck? That's how we talk to each other. Hey, motherfucker!
Oh, is that how we talk to each other?
That is how we talk to each other. What's
Dude,
up, young
do you have
blood?
any idea who you're talking to?
Talking to the man, the myth, the legend.
Jesus!
Peace.
No, literally, Jesus!
Oh, you're Jesus?
Go to the stream, retard.
Oh. Hey, that's not very nice. All right, I'll go look. Hold on. I'm streaming too, you know?
.com/AstroSonic. Like, subscribe, unsubscribe from Dave.
It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Wait, are you streaming? Oh, okay.
Unsubscribe from Dave.
Holy shit.
Not a bad idea.
Wow, I sound amazing. You need to get a new mic. What happened? Didn't you have like a blue mic?
How we doing?
You little shit.
Hey! I'll talk to my dad right now and have you fucking smited from this earth.
Dude, you're gonna start like the isn't that remember that one guy that said that he thought that you were like a Satan worshiper? Do you worship Satan? Not to put you on the spot or anything.
Sometimes.
Oh, he's breaking up. The Satan has taken over. Fuck. All right. You fucking devil worshiper. What's going on, Astro? Are we going to the moon or what? Astro. When moon, you little shit.
Heaven's pretty close to the moon, isn't it?
Mm. Well, I would think I would think it's past it.
Oh my fuck.
I would think that heaven is past the moon.
Dude,
Oh, you're saying
listen,
because
how tall
you're
are you?
Jesus. I'm 5'8".
How tall are you?
I'm 5'8". How about you? I fucking hate you, Astro. I hate Astro so much, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I can't hear you. I quit. Guys, what is he doing? Let me go pull up his stream again. Hold on. He might literally have like a butthole on screen right now. Completely possible. This dude is... Oh, his Discord crashed or something.
Yeah.
Look at this silly fucker.
Yo, how tall are you?
I'm 5'8".
Jesus Christ, I didn't know they stack shit that tall.
Ah. Are we going to the moon or what?
I don't know, maybe.
So, do you think that the next move is down, like, short term? Or, because based on the cycle shit that I was looking at yesterday, it kind of looked like we would come back down and test, like, the upper 35s and shit. Is that anywhere on your radar?
Seeing the volatility of today where we go up like 1.5% and then just get traded back down, but
Right.
then go all the way back up again, also in extremely volatile fashion. I'm
Yep.
pretty optimistic. I think it's showing us acceleration. Like what it's doing right now.
So you're optimistic.
Yeah.
That's very surprising. Very out of character.
Suck my balls, Dave.
You said
Suck
fuck
my holy balls.
Did you say fuck your balls?
I mean, if you're into that, sure.
That's weird.
I know. Why is chat saying F?
Oh, is your stream crashing? I'm the composite man. Oh yeah, it says stream unavailable right now, dude.
Oh my
Stream
God.
suspended for policy violations. Quit playing copyrighted music.
God damn it.
We're supposed to be co-streaming. Send your viewers some. I'm just kidding. Oh, they're coming over now.
God fucking damn it.
Can you just find some not copyrighted music?
No, because not copyrighted music is dog shit.
So is stealing people's music.
How am I? Dude, they get the ad revenue.
Oh, they do?
And
Oh.
YouTube shits on my chest for it. I don't know what the fuck else I'm supposed to do.
Yeah, well, if they get the ad revenue, then that's not bad.
No, exactly. And I'm a fucking musician. I get it.
Yeah, no, yeah. That's what I was. Yeah, of course you get it.
Do you know?
Yeah, you have a really you have that picture where you're playing a guitar, and you're like, "Look at how edgy I am.
Edgy.
I'm so edgy. Wow, follow me on Twitter."
Playing a double neck guitar as your Twitter profile picture is edgy? What the fuck's wrong with you, dude?
Well, it's more edgy than me.
You want you're edging yourself?
Maybe.
Got him. Get ratioed.
Oh, fuck.
Shit. So, fucking, yeah. This shit's getting too edgy. Hold on.
Hey, I got 640 viewers and 275 likes. There's something wrong. Is the like button broken or some shit? Shit.
Fuck.
Fuck.
Shit. My fucking God.
Well.
Is that your real voice?
What, this? Unfortunately.
How tall are you, Astro? Fucking 7'3".
Yeah, how tall are you, Slender Man?
7'3". Dude, I'll bench press you.
Do you see that every time that somebody refers to you like with your shirt off or naked, I always am there and I put the fucking Slender Man gif, because that's what I picture you look like when you're naked.
I will fucking end you. Come on, bitch!
Go! Go!
Come on!
Ah!
What the fuck?
Yeah, dude, it's a rising wedge. It's gonna go down.
Chill.
You say chill or shill?
It's a pretty shilly thing to ask. Shilly.
I think you're the shill, dude. You definitely look like you work for Citadel. Like the way you behave and shit, it's very Citadel-like, you know?
How does that even mean? What?
Shill-tadel.
God, you're so funny.
Got him.
You're so funny.
Got him. Yeah, I don't know, man. This looks like a rising wedge. So we're at least gonna go back down to 38.46.
Huh?
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 Volume is decreasing, dominated by bears. I mean, yeah.
You're assuming that there's organic trader sentiment showing on these charts.
Bro, I'm not assuming that. What I'm assuming is they're trying to make it look like that, and they're just they're making the patterns validate themselves. I'm in the next dimension, Astro. I'm one step further. I'm trying to put myself in the composite man's shoes. You little shit. You little shit. Yeah, Astro's stream got cut because he steals people's music. Oh, you're back live? No, don't leave. Don't leave, everybody. Don't leave.
Oh, got him!
So wait, Astro, do you think that literally nothing is traded by humans?
No, this is not I firmly believe this is not people's orders being transmitted across exchanges. All of them are being internalized and then mixed and matched against whatever other conditions are going on.
Every single stock, right? And crypto.
Uh, Particularly AMC and GME. I'm not
Okay.
sure about other stocks.
So last time before AMC ran, it was obviously the Bitcoin crash, and then they had the Bitcoin crash in January as well, right? And so for me, because Bitcoin's chilling right now, like it's just cooling off. This isn't like a crash. I know everybody's trying to make it out like, oh, Bitcoin's crashing, AMC's going to the moon. But this isn't really that big of a retracement yet. I do think that it's showing signs of weakness though, so it probably can go down further, like I was projecting before. But I just feel like it's gonna have to be a really significant move down for it, because the first time was the December to January crash, which was way smaller than the May crash.
To cut you
So
off, someone in Shane Decker says Slender Man and Composite Man had a baby, and his name is David Marino Jr.
wait, you're my dad?
Always have been.
Wow. How old are you?
22.
Yeah, no, that's not possible,
Anything's possible in this world, Bucko.
I guess. But yeah, I mean,
Sorry.
yo, didn't you say that there's so when you say there's too much liquidity, what you're saying is that because there's so much liquidity, it allows these people with these algorithms to basically just like they can just trade anything that they want and make the price do whatever it wants because they have so much liquidity. Like they have complete control. That's what I was thinking too. It's like if they have a reactive algorithm and they have enough money, they can literally, even if the orders are being processed, it doesn't even fucking matter because they can just react to it with the algorithm and send the price
think
wherever
about
they
it
want it
as
to go.
like the level of viscosity within like water, right? And whenever you start, if you drop rocks into that body of water, the more viscous it is, the more that the energy of the ripples around it can propagate. There's more efficiency to it because there's less friction. That's what you're seeing in markets. There's so much liquidity on hand, and there's so many different pairings that you can find and create and mix and match that's why you see the markets look all the same. Or if they're opposites, they are nearly perfect opposites. And the literal efficiency of trading strategies is at an all-time high. But the cost of that is when you have that high of efficiency, any catastrophic event will ripple as well.
Hmm.
There's no way to contain it because there's too much liquidity. There's your circular reasoning.
Yeah, you're gonna have to stop disrespecting me with big ass words like viscosity. Okay. I know that.
What was
Go
what
ahead.
was a big word in that? What?
Viscosity.
That's like 3 syllables.
It's
4.
4. It sounds like something I would use if I went to my doctor to describe my erectile dysfunction. That
I'm sorry to
I'm
hear
lacking
that, but...
viscosity. Is that a good use of the word though?
Bro, did you graduate high school?
Yeah, dude.
You sure? Because I didn't, and I know the definition of the word.
Knowing the definition of the word is not a measurement of education level nor intelligence.
The former, you're correct. The latter... Wait, what?
A very, very stupid person could know a definition of a word that a very smart person doesn't know. It doesn't make the stupid person smart.
Like when moon.
What?
What?
Dude, we should
Okay,
just hold on.
what?
I'm gonna text you.
Okay. Viscosity is the quality of the quality or lack thereof in friction of a liquid. How... I should know the textbook definition, but for lack of a better definition, that's the definition.
Sometimes I feel like, all right, hold on. Let me pretend to be Astro right quick, but I'm gonna do it in technical analysis. You're right.
It doesn't just have to be a liquid. It's just any form of matter.
Any form of matter. Yeah. So basically, this is called a rising wedge, and the reason that rising wedges work is because when you interpolate the universe at a certain rate, and you grab the viscosity in order to fuck, I need another big word. I need a word salad. In order to, if you're gonna extrapolate this price action and
Did you just say interpolate? That's the
be
opposite
able
of
to,
extrapolate.
well, you have to interpolate so that then you can extrapolate, and once you extrapolate your interpolation,
You're just taking syllables and finding antonyms and then fucking mixing and matching like all the liquidity pairs in this fucking fucked up market.
hey, we're bear trapping right now. We're bear trapping on this.
Bear trapping. That sounds like the condition when I have to shit real bad, but don't want to use the term groundhog.
No, so what's happening
I'm
is
bear trapping.
we're doing a bear trap right now, and we're breaking down below the rising wedge. They're gonna suck up these bears. We're gonna hit the top of the wedge, and then we're gonna do a bull trap, and then we're gonna get sent back down to 38.42.
Is that right?
Yep.
Do you have a margin of error on your extrapolation?
Well, if you extrapolate the interpolation, and you use the phantasmagorical factors of weather and wind speed, you have to consider that the possibilities are that there is no margin for error.
Did you take the third derivative of the universe's background radiation? Times Planck's constant.
What?
I agree with your thesis.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent justification.
Somebody said 700 viewers for TA. They sit to crying but laughing face after. Yeah, it's crazy too because Pubehead.
Sorry, what, cunt?
Not you. His name is Pubehead, and you just called me cunt. Very dangerous. Oh, I got a super chat. Super chat, Dave. How does Tesla keep going high when Elon sold $5 billion in shares? Please explain. I don't know. Let's go look.
Yeah, just extrapolate. Yeah.
I'm going to extrapolate the interpolation of the distribution that's occurring on... Yeah, dude. Tesla's fucked. This is a... This is a distribution. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want, but this is very clearly distribution to me. It's like this is just a matter of time until this thing shits itself. So I'm getting out of the way. Now it might do this. Yeah. Everybody's gonna be like, "Oh, we're going to the moon, 14. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!" It's probably what's gonna happen. That's what I think, but I could be wrong though. Ali, hopefully that was a good answer.
What do you think about these repeating ascending wedges on AMC that become bullish?
Can you show me evidence? Can you share your?
Yeah, literally just look at my stream, dick cunt.
Well, dude, I'm streaming too. All right, be considerate. All right, I'm looking at your stream. Oh wait, no, I'm not, because this is the stream that got canceled because of the fucking fraud that you're committing on your channel on a daily basis by playing other people's music. Wow, I remember when I only had 500 viewers on YouTube.
That's crazy. How many subs do you have?
I mean, if you bought subs, I mean, I get it, you know? All right, I'm just kidding. Okay, show me the rising wedges that are breaking to the upside. That's what you're talking about? Those aren't rising wedges, Astro. Is this...
Okay, they're standard. They're fucking bull pennants first and then become rising wedges. Just fucking, they're abiding by this fucking trend line right here as the floor. They create wedges as they fucking continue interpolating throughout space and time continuums. And then it fucking pops up.
Astro, those aren't rising wedges, though. Those are symmetric triangles. That's what those are. But yes, I get what you're saying with the pennants, but they're just symmetric triangles. They can break to either side. Eat my ass.
Are you done?
I'll never be done with you. Dave got rising wedgies in high school. Your chat hates me because I'm calling for your chat hates me.
Oh my fuck. That was good. That was good. Well played. Well played. Okay, so like when moon?
Probably, in my opinion, it begins in a week.
Gel.
What? Hisham, thank you for the super chat.
Yep, chill.
Exactly. Max sent me a super chat. He says Doctor Strange and Rocket go at it, opening up a
It's looking pretty
Merriam-Webster,
bullish to me.
drawing lines on charts and continuously interpolating results. I love it. This looks bullish to you?
What?
It looks like distribution. Sir. Sir? Are you there, sir? Sir.
Fucking God.
Sir? Are you there, sir?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I was just fucking with you.
Yo, hello? Hello?
Yo.
No, you weren't. Yo!
Oh, look, we're breaking out of our rising wedge.
No, but I think it's looking good though. No, it's been doing this all day. That's the exact thing it's been doing all day. Where it just has like this fucking shit fit. And then retraces like halfway up over the course of 20 minutes. And then just out of nowhere, you see a giant green fucking gargantuan candle.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. You know.
All day.
Yeah, it's just creating a bigger and bigger rising wedge. See, look, now it's coming back. It's reestablishing the bottom of the rising wedge. Based on my interpolation of the extrapolated results.
It's like someone gave you an Adderall and a thesaurus and said, have fun.
Yeah, well, honestly, I've only been saying the same words over and over again. I just keep saying interpolation and extrapolation. You little shit. All right.
That's great. My internet is shitting itself. God fuck.
Everybody wants to know about Dogecoin.
What the fuck is going on?
Looks good to me.
This is so frustrating.
What's wrong, dude? Is your stream shitting again?
Yeah.
It'd be a shame if all your viewers came to my stream.
Shut the fuck up, Dave! This is so fucking goddamn annoying.
Thank you for the super chat, Chile Antiques 123. 15-minute ascending wedge. I'm not really watching Tesla on the 15-minute chart, bro. I'm just looking at the macro. But I appreciate the super chat though. I'll go take a look at it for you.
Hold on, I'm gonna restart my computer and my internet.
Okay, love you. It's gone. All right, you guys can talk shit about Astro again if you want. He's not here anymore. Yeah, I look, Doge right now, man, like this is uh yeah, I mean it just looks, just look at it, you know? Just look at it. You have, hold on. Give me a sec. This is the in-depth analysis that you came here for, isn't it? Ow! Hold on. Oh, oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Yep. Don't be long, my children. Check my tweet to you on Doge, Dave. Been low. How long ago did you send it? Is that Ben's Trades by chance that sent that to me? You should DM me stuff if that's you, Ben. Oh shit, dude, they're already clipping me on Astro shit. Hold on. This is called a rising wedge. Hold on. The reason that rising wedges work is because when you interpolate the universe at a certain rate, and you grab the viscosity in order to, fuck, I need another big word. I need a word salad. In order to, if you're gonna extrapolate this price action and
Did you say interpolate? That's the opposite of
be
extrapolate.
able to, well, you have to interpolate.
And then fucking mixing and matching like all the liquidity pairs in this fucking fucked up market.
Hey, we're bear trapping right now. We're bear trapping.
Bear trapping. That sounds like the condition when I have to shit real bad, but don't want to use the term groundhog.
No, so
I'm
what's
bear
happening is what a shit show when me and Astro get together. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. All right. This is what Ben was talking about in chat. Thank you for the super chat, by the way, Ben. You don't have to do that, bro. You should DM me. Okay, let's see the glitch. What the fuck? Yeah, see, this is what I've been talking about. So see how that's the other thing. So what they do is they speed up and slow down certain parts of this shit so that it kind of throws your cycle off when you're doing the bars patterns. Now, oh, Ben, by the way, you should download the TradingView app, dude. Don't use use it in your browser. It's way too demanding on your computer. Let's go look at AMC again, see what's happening. Yeah, I mean, look, this is, guys, like, I'm not trying to be like, you know, I don't want to be like that guy or whatever, but I'm just saying, like, this is the exact same. Remember the other day whenever I was tweeting about Bear Trap, and how we were going to go below 40, right? It's the same setup. This is the same setup. I mean, I'm not trying to make people like, but you have to just, you just got to understand that it's the same setup, man. Well, really, look, this is the setup right here. Now, it's a less dramatic version of the same setup. I will say that, right? But it is the same setup. Just search TradingView application. Oh shit, hold on. RIP my stream. Are we still alive? Are we good? What's going on? I think we're good. Yo. Look, you can call me a shill if you want, but what if we break the wedge to the upside? I mean, there's no real indication that that's going to happen, though. Like, what? All right. So, let me go look at the RSI. Try and find some sort of divergence or something that will support it going up. But I'm just not seeing. I mean, you could say that maybe this is a bullish channel developing, perhaps. But they literally set it up the same way over and over again. I mean, hopefully it does break up. That's the other thing. Like, if it breaks up, that's good. But based on what I believe about where we are in the cycle, everything like that, based on all the information that I've taken in, when I saw that interpretation from Ben yesterday, it really made things click for me. And so I just think that that's where we're going. We're going here, the same way the white box was. So we're gonna come down here and trade here and we're gonna start lift off towards like the higher levels, probably like towards the end of the month type thing. Cody, yeah. So any bullish, pretty much any big bullish move, right, is gonna turn into a rising wedge at some point. You're right, but when you're looking at it from the perspective of, let me show you. Like Lucid is a good example of this right now. There's no such thing as like a healthy. You're always stair stepping, right? And then you have like a big break that is certainly not sustainable, but it's not wedging, right? So it's not wedging as fast, I should say, which basically means that it's not losing momentum. So see here on Lucid how it got really vertical like this. Because it got really vertical like this, whenever it was happening, you're not sitting here going, oh, it's a rising wedge. Now, towards the end of it, I'm sure it either started to look like distribution or a rising wedge, one of the two. So let's see. Yeah. So see, it got really vertical, but it's a relatively healthy move that you would say, oh, it's not necessarily a rising wedge. And then what happens is, right, so this didn't even turn into a rising wedge. What happened was it just got overheated on RSI and then it corrected itself. But see how vertical this is? You can't draw. I mean, maybe if you try and draw it like this. Yeah, no, it's still a bullish channel. See, like that's a more healthy bullish move. And then from there, you're kind of just looking at your momentum indicators. And then that's going to give you a better idea. And then what happens is, like, once you see this volume divergence, that's kind of your signal that this is kind of a false peak. Does that make sense? What's a bull flag? Oh, bull flag. You're talking about on the Lucid? Why does your projection come back down around 90? I'm contradicting what I found yesterday. What are you talking about, CMS? So, again, I'm not contradicting anything that I said yesterday, right? What I said yesterday was that we were entering this zone, right? See there? Nothing contradictory. It's exactly what I said. Will not turn bearish on a daily. Let's see. I mean, look, I will say that, you know, from a candle perspective, this does look good. You have an inverted hammer, and then it's followed immediately by this engulfing candle. That's good. What do we have on the retracement? If we pull from the candles, 707, pull from the wicks, 707. And then I know that everybody says your fib is, yeah, it's on log. Actually, I would prefer to look at it without log for a second. Yeah, it's still 707. Not a big difference. $7.86. I don't know. I mean, I just feel like I kind of like it better when it's not on log. Some dude, are you bullish or bearish? The question is not if I'm bullish or bearish. That's too short-sighted of a question. You should ask me maybe in the short term or in long term if I'm bullish or bearish. Like, give me a term and then I'll tell you if I'm bullish or bearish. Short term, like immediate, like next few days, I'm relatively bearish. But to be honest with you, you know, max pain is at 40 right now. I'd say that it's probably a good, you know, depending on how we close here. Like if we dump going into the close of this day, like I was kind of thinking that we were gonna do anyway. And as you can see, my bars pattern is following pretty well. And right now we're doing a let me see this. Yeah, we got a shooting star here. Is that what it's called? It's the reversal doji, fucking shooting star doji. And I never remember the names of these things. I just know what they look like. I look at candles more like it's not a shooting star. It's a evening star. That's what it is. Evening star. On the hourly. And it literally just closed too, by the way. Yep. So y'all can it's okay to disagree, by the way. It's fine. Yeah, I mean I'm bullish on AMC. Like I wouldn't evening star. Right now, Matt, do you mean like what does it mean? Max pain, or do you mean what is the number? Like what is max pain right now? I think last time I looked at it, it was 40. Yeah, it's still 40. Yeah, I'd say definitely, I mean, look, even if we dump today, right? So going into the end of the day here, like right here. Yeah, I mean, look, this is, yeah, I don't know, man. You guys just, sometimes it's just like, man, you know, the stock, it goes up and it goes down. This is a very common sense move right now. It just is, man. The price is clearly rolling over. Volume is rolling over. It just makes sense. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. Doesn't make me think anything less of the stock, anything like that. As a matter of fact, I think it's relatively healthy. And then if we do that, then what that does to me, what it does to me is it makes me think that maybe we don't have to go down as low as this, as I was thinking before. And the reason that I say that is because, and I mean, look, we still definitely could, right? I'm not saying that we wouldn't, but what I would say is then that kind of turns this into this for me instead. And so then what we do is we trade a little sideways going into like next week at the beginning, like Monday, and then we start to make an ascent. Yeah, I mean, look, yeah, I don't know, man. This looks yeah, I mean, yeah. The daily looks good. Daily does look good. We'll see how the day closes. That's why I don't make my videos during the day or whatever, just because like I know that depend you can make a video in the middle of the day and then, you know, the last hour and a half changes the entire shit. BB? BB. 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 Boy, oh boy, is BB. Beautiful chart. Holy shit, we got 860 viewers. Hey, everybody, smash the like button. Smash, 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 smash. If we get more likes, we might be able to get to 1,000. I wonder if we can get to 1,000 viewers. I don't know if I've ever done that before. Yeah, BlackBerry, man, look. There's some sort of narrative that's coming for BlackBerry. I don't know if it's going to be, you know, this year, next year, the year after, or whatever. But you know, I think that it's pretty clear that BlackBerry has something going for it. It's been getting worked on in the background. I mean, if you can. I'm reading chat. Hold on. Go try and see if I pick anything up. Back at 40 for AMC. Looks good. Look, man, if this thing closes, yeah, like this, in this sort of shape here, then I'll have to sit there and look at it, just look at it again and make a determination from there. But, I mean, you know, candles like this can also create a type of thing where you end up, right? Like you could have a situation that's like this where like this, right? Now, I know what you're saying. Oh, well, it wasn't in the middle of a move, right? Like this, middle of a move down, right? We had engulfing. And the next day we rolled over. So, like going into tomorrow, right? Max pain is 40. We all know that AMC tends to find its way to max pain somehow, some way on Fridays. I'd imagine that if we close around here, it's going to remain at 40. And then what does that candle look like, right? So usually what they do is on that sort of thing, what they're going to do is they're going to knock the price down, they're going to knock it back up, blah, blah, blah. Now, how does that candle close, right? And then based on how that candle closes, then we're going to say, okay, well, you know, maybe we do see further downside, right? Well, yeah, I mean, look, where did we close? So the 5th. What was max pain last Friday, Will? I don't do predictions, Ape Revolution. If you want predictions, you can find a YouTuber that does predictions. We'll see. I didn't predict a rise next week, Alex. I'm giving you my theory based on my technical analysis. Do you understand the difference between predictions and analysis? A thesis? Do you understand the difference? A prediction would be me saying, I predict that AMC will be $100 on December 30th. I predict that that is what's going to occur. I predict that tomorrow AMC is going to be $38.42. When you are in my videos and in my stream, if it sounds like I'm predicting something, I am connecting it to a technical thesis, right? This is what I think is most possible. This is what I think is most probable, right? Not predicting. Predictions are for like people who read your palms or something and you know what I'm saying? I don't think anybody in stock anything in FinTwit or if you go to CNBC or whatever, they're not predicting anything. They might give you a target or something like that, but they're not. Uh, they're not predicting. Do you understand the difference? Like, or am I missing something? Weekly chart on AMC. Let's do it. Clean up the chart right quick. Hold on. Soy Rigby, look at the weekly chart in AMC. Identical candles we ripped before the end of this month. What's so what I would say is it's probably more likely that if I whoa, dude. Didn't mean to do that. Do 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 do. Mm. I knew I was on a 2 week. Too much viscosity, yeah. Yo 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 yo. Last 9 are the same. Okay. So you're saying we're gonna do numbers. That's what we're gonna do. All right. So you're saying this is 9. This is 9. Turn a 6 upside down. It's at 9 now. This is 8. Okay, okay. I see the similarity so far. When I look at it this way. 8. 7. I guess I could just copy it and paste it, huh? Oh. Yeah, that's what I'll do. 6. 6. 5. Man, what a time to be alive. You know yours. Me and mine. Are we talking teams? Are we talking teams? Are you choosing sides? Wanna come with me? Look at the smile on me. Look at the owl on me. I do not chase girls, but they run a mile for me. Is she gonna ride for me? I bet the tires for me. This game is different. You only get one shot for foul on you. And fucking ball. Whoa. Man, we want it all. Don't get too involved. We gonna knock it off. And to top it off, I'm with all the dogs. Did I do it right for the people who were doing saying? Gincolato. It's my boy Blue. Who told me to count the weeks like this? What are you at? Yeah, I sound way too much like Drake. So yeah, I mean this kind of just goes into it, right? So I mean it's essentially just a cycle theory, right? Like that's what we've been. I have to think about. I mean, I definitely like week 8 and week 9 for sure. Week 7, okay, I'm down. Might actually be hopping off here in a second. Let me see. Dog, I ain't advised shit. Don't talk to me like that. Woo. Let's look at the 2-day or something and just see like how these numbers play out like on that kind of scale. Yeah, see, we're not getting the maybe. It looks really good. Like it actually looks better like this. Where's that guy at? Soy Rigby? That's kind of like a little bit. It looks a little bit more matchy here, doesn't it? Except for 2. 2 to 2. Well, 2 would then be kind of like here, maybe. 3 looks good. 4, okay, a little bit slower, but happened. 5, 6, 7, 8. M's in my bank account. Okay, 9. Yeah, I don't mind it. I don't hate it. Let me go look at the day. Daily chart. Daily. Oh. Fuck. Oh, shit. That's the 1 minute, dude. What the what am I smoking, brother? 1 day? 1 day. 2 day. 3 day. It's weird how it's so different here. I guess it's kind of like this. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of this. When I look at those two candles like that. 5 would be like down here now. 6, 7, 8. I don't mind it. I mean, it's not. The moves are very similar for sure. I mean, that's pretty much what we've been referencing, right? Like, it's not like it's not completely new, but it is an interesting way to look at it. Just look at it. Let's do the 8-hour. You know, just looking at it. 1, 2. So I kind of feel like this is probably this, right? Like these, with this slowed down here. Fuckers, dude. 3, yeah, 3, and then 4 was like this divot down here. 5, this divot here. 6, 7. It's something, dude. Like it's so crazy that you can do this shit with this fucking chart, dude. It's so crazy, dude. It's honestly like it's so insane that you can make these sorts of that you can make these sorts of similarities. Like it's fucked. This is so fucked, man. So fucked. Dude, the 1 day is the same as the beginning of the 5 day chart all the way to the top. 5 day chart? You mean like a week chart or literally 5 days? Because I feel like you would have some rollover. Yeah, Adam Aaron selling is nothing. Yeah, that's a he knew he said he was gonna do it, and also like non-ape shit. Like he should, like he definitely should have sold. Like yeah. It's when this is all over, that's probably the right move for him and his family. Eric, I see you keep saying that. I would need you to like maybe give me a little bit more detail than that, man. I don't know. I haven't really looked at GME and BlackBerry in that way. Chris, you got to understand, man, that I'm analyzing the chart, right? So like I say this in a lot of my videos too, that I use different methods to kind of prove out what it is exactly that I believe. Like, yeah, that's what you should do before you make any investment. You should, in my opinion, you should exercise all of the tools that you think are valid, and you should put them all into action, and then see what you think is the most likely conclusion. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to use a bunch of different theories, and I mean, that's just how. This is how I do it. Ah. I'm out of numbers, so I'm gonna this. Maybe. Yeah, possibly. And don't say, "Huh, you're sensitive." That's what you always say. Just answering your question, bro. That's sensitive. Hey Eric, um, join my Discord and go share it in there. In the technical analysis chat. And then I have a bunch of great guys in there that can probably help you even more than I could help you with that. To be honest with you, the BlackBerry and the GME stuff. Uh, yeah, of course. Of course. Uh, Adam Aaron would benefit more if he sold on a very big upswing. But at the same time, tomorrow isn't promised. And the guy was probably sitting in an insane amount of profit on his stock, and he's getting older and he's got a family and all that stuff. So he, had to make the decision for his family to probably execute. I don't know. That's how I see it, at least. I don't blame the guy. He's like probably extreme. He's very wealthy now as a result of that. And his family will be for generations, most likely. Also, it's a composite man thing too, right? Like whatever. Jack Dog says, if you draw a support resistance line from June 1st run up, we are near the top of the channel now with tons of downside to $17. If you draw a support/resistance line from June 1st run up, we are near the top of the channel now with tons of downside. I don't know what you mean by support/resistance. I don't know what that means. From the top, because I can't draw support from the top. So can you clarify that for me, Jack? Very interested in that. I would like to see what you're talking about. Thanks, Eric. Yeah, of course, Cassandra, but what he's saying is if you draw a resistance line from the June run up, like there's no real way to draw it in a like you can he said support/resistance. So I don't really know what he means. Like what is he specifically referring to, I suppose. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm down, I'm down for a bearish interpretation of the chart. I don't mind that. But I just think that, he needs to be a little bit more clear. In my opinion. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see. Whoa, dude. Alert may trigger differently from what you expected? What? I didn't mean to do that. I'll go look, Jack. Thanks, dude. Oh, my phone just like restarted. Give me a minute. It's called TradingView. I should have an affiliate link in the description. No, or don't. I have to update this Discord. Fire? Never. Right. I'm gonna update my Discord. Save. Right. If the Discord link wasn't working before, it should definitely work now. And I'm also gonna add my trading view link. To the bottom. All right. There you go. He's a shill. Oh shit, Jack Dog. Where is Jack Dog? Wait, Jack Dog, are you Blarnagus Flarnagus? Blarnagus Holy shit, man. Everyone is asking me about loop ring. Holy distribution must be going on this fucking chart right now. Jeez, dude. If I hear here, dude, this is the loop ring analysis. I'm sorry. I just can't get away from it. I can't get away from loop ring. It's following me everywhere I go. Hold on. Kevin, I thought we were going to thank you for the super chat, Kevin. I thought we were going into May 7th into 7 on May chart. 1 and 9 on May chart are all the same dollar when 1 and 9 on current chart aren't close to the same. Kevin, I really can't understand your question, dude. Fuck. May. Oh, you're saying by the numbers. I thought we were going into 7 on May chart. Yeah, that's what I thought too. 1 and 9 on the May chart are the same. 1 and 9 are the same. Yeah, okay. When 1 and 9 on the current chart aren't close to the same. Right. Yeah, that was definitely part of what made me kind of think that we were going into 7 here. I agree. Yeah, Kevin, sorry about that. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking too. I mean, I want to see how the week closes, you know? How we close tomorrow. Like if we just start moving up and we come and test the top of this thing again, then I don't know. I'm going to be like, what the hell? And then I'll have to sit there and figure it out again. So what the bearish thing that we got a second ago actually isn't like a full-blown bear, by the way. It's an account that has been bullish historically, based on I've seen the comments from this account. Let me draw it out right quick. Hold on. It's like this, pretty much. Like this. So basically, they are saying that based on this, I mean, I don't know. You would go down like here, something like this. But I mean, what you would have to do though to prove that that is what's going to happen is like you would have to. Oh well, I will say that if you look at volume profile, that's visible range. That's what I want. It is the weak. This is the weakest zone for the volume profile. I will say that. So basically, what this is it's like it's measuring volume on a vertical scale. So you can see the places where with the most historic volume have the highest number, the biggest bars, and then the lowest volume has the lowest bars. So I wouldn't say 17 would be this thesis, but I mean, I could see it. But the thing is, you have this sort of pennant here, and you found historic support on it multiple times. So it would take a lot for me to kind of say, okay, yeah, we're gonna hit this line. We're gonna break to the downside. I don't really see it that way. But you know, it's definitely an interesting way to look at the chart, especially considering the historic volume. You know, so appreciate it. Yeah, no, for sure, Jack Dog. Yeah, I think I favor the pennant just because of the historic support that it's given, right? So like you don't want to just assume that um that's not a thing, you know? I like this is a pretty clear line of support, a clear line in the sand for bulls thus far. I mean, bulls could lose will and go, oh well, we need to go and clear out this zone of the chart to get additional volume in order to get additional support for this price point, because this is what bears are targeting. And then bears would all exit, right? Bears would all exit their positions down here for sure. So that would definitely, you know, trigger some upside, and then you'd have this as like as an established trading range that has been seen. So I mean, it's definitely a thing that's possible, right? Anything is possible. I just think that the accumulation at this level and the volume levels, it doesn't shout to me based on the volume at this level that it makes a lot of sense for the price to go down further, in my opinion. Oh, is AMC falling? Everybody's talking about it going down. Let's go see what's happening. What is this? What is that little red thing? What the fuck is this? Oh, this is like that. Okay. I know what it is. Oops. Okay. So we're breaking our wedge. Is that what's happening? Let's go look. We might be establishing a new wedge. These creepy fuckers, dude. People are so fucking creepy, bro. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. These guys are annoying. Like, leave it alone, dude. They literally do this like over and over, and I'm so sick of this. Like, I mean, literally, they do the same thing. They do the same thing over and over. They make a small wedge, and then you break it, and then they make another wedge, and then you break it, and then you right, because like once you delete this, now that's a wedge, and once you delete this, now that's a wedge. Yeah, man. Look, I'd say overall in the shorter time frames, it definitely looks like we're gonna go revisit this $38-ish level. To me, it's not a guarantee, not a promise, whatever. I'm just saying what it looks like based on my analysis, right? And like timeline wise, I mean, it's kind of tough, right? Let's let's see. I mean, if we come back here, everybody's gonna be jacked. They're gonna be like, "Oh fuck, we're over 40 again, daddy." Oh, look, we found support at 40. Oh fuck yeah, volume keeps going down. Fuck, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, oh shit, my shit lagging, b. Yeah, I don't know. Let's look at our volume profile. That's a good, since I just used it, it'll be a good time to kind of show maybe another possible interpretation of that. Yes. So see this gap right here, dude? See this gap in the volume profile recently? Let's go see. Let's zoom back a little bit further and see what we see. Uh-oh. What does this mean? Uh-oh. Did I just lose? Macro analysis? The composite man has hacked my computer. Let me think I'm going to be hopping off stream. Wait, what? RIP my Cloud. Why are you scared? What's up, dude? I'm scared because the composite man just, oh look, my podcast. What the hell? Is this just streaming in the background, just wasting my fucking internet? Holy shit. Wow. That explains a lot. Let me make sure that nothing else is streaming in the background. Holy. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, let's try and pull up TradingView again. Okay, this is going well. Ah, rug pull by Mrs. Dave. Look at Astro's tweet. What did he say? Is he talking shit? What the fuck? Hold on, I'm gonna pull this up for the stream. What the fuck is that? Let me hold on, man. This dude is so funny, bro. About had a goddamn heart attack seeing this. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Yo, this is so funny, dude. Elon Musk sells $5 billion of Tesla stock. Good for him. That's great. All right, let me see if TradingView is gonna work. A buddy of mine that when I was younger, we hung out all the time and shit. I wanted to just catch up with him and shit, and I think he's about to be available, so I might hop over there with him, talk to him for a little while. No, I didn't get hacked. Bro, why is TradingView not pulling up? What the fuck is going on, dude? Like, it literally just shit all over itself. Composite Man was like, yo, this dude's too fire with the charts. He's on to something. We need to We need to disconnect his fucking trading view. Okay. Let's go look at Task Manager and try and figure out what is happening. Whoa. In task, right? Now maybe? Yep. Fixed it. I knew being a nerd would pay off. Okay, let's look at fucking loop ring. Let's get this fucking over with. Holy shit. The crypto fucking pumps. Now everybody, hey, what's going on with loop ring? It's like, dude, what I'll tell you is you probably don't want to buy something. Not financial advice. But I prefer not to buy something after it pumps 1,000% in 2 weeks. Personal preference, though. Everybody's different. If that's part of your investing strategy, well, all of my tabs are LRC. It's taking over my life. What the fuck what is this? What? This is why it's up so much because dude, I am sick of LRC, dude. Sick of it. All right, let's go see. Well, I will say, I was talking shit, but it is breaking. It is. Yo, this thing might be. Boy, I'm about to go back on my shit, huh? Ain't I? Ain't I about to go back on my shit? This definitely looks like it's gonna cool off, though. The RSI is way too crazy on it. But if you look at it, if you just look at it, I would say that this is your selling climax, right? Automatic reaction. Sell test. This is your break for phase B, most likely. This is your break for phase E. Oh, no. Sorry. Oops. This is your break for phase C. Yeah. I like that. I like that. This is... Okay. A lot of phase C's during the COVID thing. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I kind of like I kind of like it. I was talking all that shit, you know, but it's not that bad. It actually looks like a pretty good accumulation chart. Huh. Well, let's see. I think it's definitely got to cool off here. For sure. It's a little too crazy right now. Maybe. So not for sure, because that's not the same. You can't say for sure and maybe, can you? Yeah, you know, I mean, maybe. And then you have this sort of, well, this is a sign of strength. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. AMC's breaking down. I'm gonna go look in a second. Give me a second. Let's go fucking look. Fuck it. At the end of the day. What did I say was gonna happen at the end of the day? Rewind the stream. It's not gonna break down. It's gonna stay bullish. I'm not trying to be a dick, by the way, but it's just like, dude, it's how technical. Yeah, I mean, I fucking saw this a mile of fucking way, dude. So, if you've been here the whole stream, what was I saying? It is technically breaking to the downside, but I'm just saying, like, you know, volume down, rising wedge, right? The only thing, if it looks like a rising wedge, if you want to make a case for it going up, you have to have volume. Astro was trolling me. But yeah, I mean, if you'd have been looking at this LRC, Wyckoff, so and in shorter term, right? So like, let's just look at 2021. Look at this, man. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. This is so same thing, right? Accumulation. I mean, it's clear as day, man. Clear as day. Clear as day. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful accumulation. Love it. These are the opportunities, you know? This is the type of stuff that you want to look for. You had a distribution occur here. Boom. Right? Say it with me. Sell climax. Automatic reaction. This is definitely a sell test in phase B. And look, you kind of just jumped right into your spring here. Probably if I go to a shorter time frame, you can see a test. Look at how bad the low ass volume. And look, this is your opportunity right here. You see this, and you see that volume come in right here. You're good. Volume spike. Look, the volume is actually higher on this run up. So you know what this means right here? They are testing demand, right? So what happened here was a bunch of retail bought in. They pumped it again. Let me find that spot. They pumped it again. A bunch of retail bought in. They sold in their face, but they said, you know what? They got a lot of demand right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to load up again. And I guarantee you what I can show you here is another accumulation occur. They said, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Retail's fucking with this. They going to buy this shit if we pump it up. What you got? I mean, this is, I mean, it's textbook. It's textbook. Textbook. To be honest with you, this is really more like what AMC is going through right now. I mean, it's just beautiful. This distribution here, right? Distribution, boom. Now you're down here in this trading range for this. Look at this. This deep last point of support. Deep last point of support. Bulls come in, boom. Then you have your sign of strength up here. You break above the trading range. Look, man, if I was looking at this, these are the plays, man. Alts in general look like they're all going this direction right now, by the way. That's my opinion. And look, if you zoom in here, so boom. Boom. A quick little distribution right here. Now, this right here, if you would have seen this volume divergence, you would have been able to tell, oh, fuck, right? We're gonna see some downside. Let's see if we got more accumulation, right? So I would say that your accumulation, this is probably a reaccumulation, most likely because the hype is really in at this point. So now they're just beating up the price a little bit. Let me show you the reaccumulation schematic right quick so you can see. Oh no, this isn't it. I do have to go though, guys. But yeah, so this is, well, really, look, you can look at this whole thing as reaccumulation. Even the distribution is included in it. So fuck you. It's too, there you go. So buying climax, primary supply, cell test, automatic reaction. The buying climax and the cell test create your top of your trading range. Your automatic reaction. I mean, maybe your automatic reaction is down here. Maybe it's down here. Doesn't really matter too much. Yeah, I'd say it's probably here. That's your reaction. You come up here. I mean, dude, this is like, I mean, it's beautiful, honestly. Dude, it's everywhere, guys. I'm pretty sure that's what a lot of people in chat are probably saying right now, is that this shit's fucking everywhere, but it's literally everywhere, guys. You can't get away from it. Might as well fucking play the game, dude. Might as well just play the game, dude. Last point of support. I mean, you know? Crazy. What do you guys think about this? I mean, it's... I mean... Dude. Killer. I mean, you are absolutely making a fucking killing. If you identify this sort of pattern, right? Super low volume. Nobody cares about it. And this is what's going on with it. And you see that volume come in a key moment, right? When it's about to break, when it's about to end its accumulation, you see a volume on a big run up like this. It's a signal, you know? And then from there, you keep, you know, you look at the RSI, you go, oh shit, you know, blah, blah, blah. You know, maybe we get out here, take a little break. It's been a little crazy. We just went up 300%. Maybe I get out, see what happens, right? But then you identify this sort of reaccumulation, right? You look for these sorts of things. You look for volume favoring bulls over bears. Bears are not, they're not here. Where are the bears? The bears, right? Look, we're at these high levels. Bears should be having a fucking field day trying to short this thing down. What's volume doing? Simple, man. Simple, dude. This is where it's at, guys. It's where it's at. It's where it's at, man. So let's close out with AMC where we're at. Patty Mac, Dave Marino, have you been watching another YouTuber? I won't say the name, but it's looking very familiar. Just curious. What YouTuber? I'd be interested to go watch whoever you're talking about. If they're talking about this type of shit, I would love to watch their content. Please let me know who you're talking about, Patty Mac. But no, I haven't been watching another YouTuber that is using these sorts of methods. Not in this context, no. You can short it on margin on I'm sure you can short it on KuCoin. Sure you can. But even if you can't, you can sell. Right? Selling is the same, it's the same price action as shorting. People weren't selling, man. So institutions were like, okay, well, we're just going to gobble some up while we create some selling pressure. That's how those runs, like Doge runs and stuff like that, that's how they happen, right? It starts pumping, and retail's confidence gets in the game. Yeah, send it to me, Patty. Yeah, no, dude, I mean, if you think that I'm stealing it or what, it doesn't really matter because it's a methodology. You know, this is a over 100-year-old methodology, so I'm not, you know, whatever. If somebody else starts, if freaking Trace Trades or Matt Kors or any of those guys tomorrow started using this sort of charting and stuff like that, I wouldn't be like, oh, they're stealing my shit. I'd be like, yeah, you know, the shit works. Fuck yeah. I want the apes to have this. I want the apes to be aware of this stuff. This is how retail gets the market back. You know? It's beautiful. It's Wyckoff. Wyckoff. This is Wyckoff reaccumulation. A lot of stuff. If you just search Wyckoff distribution, redistribution, accumulation, reaccumulation, and in stockcharts.com, I keep seeing this website. So just search maybe stock charts. You'll find some more stuff. They also have this. I love this tutorial. I love to use this as like my talking point. Yeah, stockcharts.com as well. That's what I thought. And it's just like a full breakdown of the entire theory and how it works, everything like that. But yeah, Patty Mac, I really want to see what you're talking about. Yeah, again, I'm not. No, yeah, it's not coming from the same place, Patty Mac. Yeah, and I wasn't. Just the way you asked was just kind of like, oh, you know, El Cappuccino, cool. I'm interested to see who Patty's talking about, and then I really do have to hop off here after we look at AMC briefly. Yep. So we're breaking out of our falling wedge, our rising wedge. That everybody was like, "Oh no, it's not." All right. So now we're in the zone where we need to start pulling fibs here, so we can get a better idea what's going on for real. For real. Okay. So we're at a 0.5. Yeah, 38.50, guys. Yep. 38.50. Yeah, Patty, just look up Wyckoff, man. Wyckoff accumulation, Wyckoff distribution, Wyckoff theory, Wyckoff methodology. It's all there, man. That is just, it's so sick to look at a play like LRC right now, though. I'm so glad that I did, even though I was talking shit on it, because literally everybody's blowing up my shit about it. But like, it's just textbook Wyckoff distribution, accumulation, breakout, reaccumulation, breakout. And then, I mean, now we kind of got to see where we are. I mean, we are very extended at this point, but who knows? Very extended. Looks like bears are dominating some of this volume, guys. So this might not be too good. But I could be wrong. Could be wrong. Yeah, Patrick, when you're trying to identify it in real time, distribution versus reaccumulation, it's really key that you're looking at the volume. So see how this volume is just so low? And also, when you see big volume spikes, right, they're green, green, green on bigger time frames. And then you can zoom in on smaller time frames to try and identify and make sure that it's actually bullish volume. So like just an example of that is what'll happen is you'll have a big red candle on volume, but it's actually a bull came in and just loaded up on a 1 minute time frame or something. But see how this volume here, the red volume candle is beating the green volume candle here and here. That's not a good sign. I would say that's for me, that's what I'm looking for to see when there's distribution as beginning. But let's look at a shorter time frame and maybe it'll give us more context to those candles. Yeah, no, whales are dumping. Whales are dumping LRC in my opinion. Yeah, this is dumping, institutional dumping. See these big red candles? Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, and then the price. What did the price do as well? The price went higher, didn't it? No, yeah. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like it. I mean, volume decreasing as the price is in a general downtrend. Short term, it's gonna have to come down here, correct down this way, something like this, and do this for a little while, and then we'll see. We'll see where the volume goes from there, but it's not gonna just break out again. I don't think so. In my opinion, I don't think so. Yeah. Cassandra, it happens on all different time frames. So there's not really like one time frame that beats them all. So, and I'll show you. I mean, it's really crazy. But BlackBerry, I just did a video on this, by the way. If you want to go check that out, it's a pretty good explanation. But you can see BlackBerry over the course of the past 10 years really has been, so December 2011 has been in an accumulation schematic. And if you're not familiar with the accumulation schematic, I can show you. Right here, right? So you see the cell climax, automatic reaction, cell test. Here you have this phase B where you're kind of just trading sideways for a while. You come down, you break the trading range for your spring. Generally has low volume, and really accumulation tends to have relatively low volume anyway. You start to look for, are bulls dominating the volume or bears dominating the volume? If bears are dominating the volume, then the insinuation is more downside, as displayed in the other chart. And then once you see these big volume candles come in with your sign of strength, it's generally a good sign that you're going to be seeing upside. Now, how long will this take? It's a little bit harder to tell, right? But we do know that generally speaking, I would say that BlackBerry looks like it's in preparation for a markup. If you look at it from here, I did have somebody say, oh, well, what if you did the trading range like this, which is totally cool too. And so maybe then we're just in this LPS phase, like this, it's like this. But yeah, if you zoom in though, Cassandra, and you look in smaller time frames on here, you're gonna find accumulation and distribution occurring on the hourly chart, the minute chart, whatever, in here as well. And is the big W generally the same phase in a Wyckoff accumulation? Generally speaking, but the volume is really important too, because this could be redistribution. If there was like a bunch of, every time it peaked, it had big volume sell-offs or something, it could be redistribution. And hold on, I can show you a redistribution. So this is what a redistribution looks like. So you can see that it can be pretty similar. So maybe it would be, ooh. Hey, buddy. It'd be pretty similar if you did it like this, right? But as you can see, that it seems like bulls are supporting the price action, so that's what differentiates it. But yeah. Okay. All right, guys. I love you too. Shit, stale engine. Thank you so much for the super chat. All right, guys. I'm gonna pop out here. I gotta go talk to my buddy here. Ooh. AMC. Damn. Bulls came in, huh? We'll see what happens for the rest. The last 15 minutes are going to be interesting. You guys pay attention to the chart. Go follow me on Twitter. You can keep up with me there. And until next time, thank you guys so much for